Sometimes a TPMS sensor can act up at the worst times, causing your customers issues and a potential comeback to your shop. The truth is, most TPMS issues aren't bad luck. They're preventable. You just can't overlook the details. In fact, the difference between a smooth job and a comeback usually comes down to one thing: awareness. Let's start with the valve stem. If a vehicle comes in with wheel or tire damage from hitting a curb or a pothole, it's easy to focus only on what you can see. But take a closer look at the valve stem, especially if the TPMS sensor uses a clamp-in design. That same impact that bent the wheel may have weakened the stem, and it could need replacement. While you're there, grab your scan tool and run a quick check on all of the sensor's batteries. If one TPMS battery is dead, the others probably aren't far behind. If you opt to put in new sensors, keep the risks in mind. Without verifying communication beforehand, you may find yourself stuck with no signal and no easy fix. That's why you should always use your scan tool to confirm communication before installation. That quick scan confirms the sensor is active and functional before the vehicle leaves the bay. Skip that step and you might be facing a comeback when the TPMS light flicks back on a day later. Last but not least, be careful with equipment. Modern tire changers are great for low profile or large diameter wheels, but they also create more chances to damage a TPMS sensor. Even without a tire iron, the positioning of the machine can do harm if you're not careful. With that being said, it's important to know exactly where that sensor sits before you start. One quick moment of awareness can prevent expensive damage. It's small steps like these that keep TPMS from tripping you up. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.